Hello everyone, welcome back. So time for a new video, and in this video I'm going to explain the remaining part of my last video that was containing United Nations. And in this video I'll be talking about the structure of United Nations. So let us start. The United Nations has 6 main bodies that serve different functions. They are: number 1, the General Assembly; number 2, the Security Council; number 3, the Economic and Social Council; number 4, the Secretariat; number 5, the Trusteeship Council; and number 6, the International Court of Justice. So we will talk about these 6 main bodies of UN one by one. So first let us talk about General Assembly. This is the main part of the UN. It is made up of all member countries, each with 1 vote. It meets every year to discuss world problems and make recommendations. Decisions are taken by a simple majority vote. However, in protest decisions, it requires a 2/3 majority. So it is the main body of the UN. Next, Security Council. This is the most powerful organ of the UN. It is responsible for maintaining international peace and security. It has 15 members. 5 of them are permanent. They are the USA, the UK, the Russia, the France, and the China. They have the most power in the decision-making process. Decisions of the Security Council require 9 votes, including all the 5 permanent members. Next body, Economic and Social Council. The UN has specialized agencies to provide social and economic services. This organ of the UN promotes human rights and work on health, education, and related areas around the world. There are 5 regional commissions. These commissions look at how far UN's programs are going on. The Economic and Social Council also help people suffering from natural calamities in any part of the world. Next body of the UN is Secretariat. The UN's administrative officers and experts on various fields make up the Secretariat. The head of the Secretariat is the Secretary General. The Secretary General serves as the chief administrative officers at all meetings and oversees the daily operations of the UN. Ban Ki-moon of Korea is the present Secretary General of the UN. He is the 8th Secretary General. Kofi Annan was his predecessor. Next UN body is Trusteeship Council. The Trusteeship Council was formed to look after the territories called trust territories, which were not free when the UNO was formed. The countries who looked after them are called trust countries. There were 11 such countries. All of them have gained independence. Trust territory gained independence in 1994. The council stopped its operations. Since 1994, new roles have been proposed for Trusteeship Council. Now, next body is International Court of Justice. This is the judicial organ of the UN. It is called the World Court. The court hears cases brought by countries. It gives advisory opinions on matters of international law. The court has 15 judges and is located in Netherlands. Now let us move to the next part of this video, that is specialized agencies of the UN. We will be talking about these specialized agencies. So let us begin. The UN has several agencies also. They are looked after by the Economic and Social Council. They work together to work on special common problems. Some of these agencies are FAO, UNESCO, WHO, UNICEF, ILO. Let us talk about these one by one. So first, let's take FAO. Full form of FAO is the Food and Agricultural Organization. It was established in October 1945. Its main goal is to get rid of hunger. Its headquarters are at Rome. It runs various programs for developing agriculture, forestry, fisheries, and land and water for agriculture use. Next agency, UNESCO. The basic function of the UNESCO means United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization is to promote education, science, culture and communication. The headquarters of the UNESCO are in Paris. Next agency, WHO, the World Health Organization. It works to remote and prevent dangerous diseases. It works to eradicate diseases like polio, smallpox, malaria, etc. It has its headquarters at Geneva in Switzerland. Next agency, UNICEF, the United Nations Children Fund, UNICEF. It works for the betterment of children. It was set up after the World War. Its headquarters is in New York. Its efforts are to improve the children's health, nutrition, education and general welfare. The UNICEF was awarded the Nobel Prize for Peace in 1965. It helps to run many programs for the betterment of children. Last agency, ILO, means International Labour Organization. It works for drawing up and overseeing international labour standards. It is the only United Nations agency that brings together representatives of governments, employers and workers to jointly shape policies and programs promoting decent work for all. This gives the ILO an edge in incorporating real-world knowledge about employment and work. I hope, listeners, this explanation will be helpful for you. You can check the first part related to United Nations that I have explained in my last video. The links are flashing on your screens. You can check my other videos related to Grade 5 Social Studies. If you like the video, please comment in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel for further updates. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Stay safe.